Now the teaching on yoga begins. Yoga is the settling of the mind into silence. The branches in the eagle. Right? Interesting.
Beauties, thanks for posing with me today. We're learning Nisha's eagle. Get your mats out. Or if you don't have a mat, the floor is just fine.
Don't talk, just do it. Talking will throw your balance off.
Now we're moving into a variation of the Abhaya Mudra mixed with the eagle.
Like a statue standing up there.
Multiple postures in one. We normally have our hands in this posture when we're in the tree. As you see, we are using this hand gesture or posture as we're in the eagle. It is an innovation. Nisha's innovation, who is a gifted student of the gifted teacher.
Well,